Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video we are going to review a new product by Milton, that is the Spotzero Kharata. So generally the Kharatas that we might have used in a house would be made out of wood and sticks, and this is a new age Kharata from Milton which is made out of plastic. So this is the Milton Spotzero Kharata which is made from high quality plastic. And let's go ahead and look at the packaging. It comes packaged in a plastic bag, and right here in front we have the Spotzero branding mentioned here by Milton, Kharata plastic mentioned here, and then illustration of the Kharata is shown here. On the back side of the packaging we can see that there is again the Spotzero branding mentioned here. Then the features, let's look at the features of this product. This Plastic Kharata from Milton is made from high quality plastic. It is very efficient and hygienic and economical for use. It comes with 44 plastic sticks which cleans water completely, so it takes out all the water easily, and it is easy to use and lightweight. So if you all might have used the original Kharatas which were made from sticks, it used to be a bit heavy and a bit uncomfortable to use. But this feature, like, it is easy to use because it is light in weight. Coming to the price of the Milton Kharata, which is Spotzero Kharata, is rupees 120. Talking about the price, I feel it is a bit overpriced, because in the market you will get a plastic Kharata from the range of rupees 75 to 100. Between this range, Milton has priced their Spotzero Kharata at rupees 120, which is a bit of a premium price that they have charged. So let's go ahead and open the Kharata. So we just tear it open and see how does the Kharata look. So guys, this is the Spotzero Kharata, plastic Kharata from Milton. So you can see these are the plastic sticks of the Kharata, and this is a nice handle that they are given. There's a nice plastic handle which has grip here, which will give you a nice comfortable grip by holding the Kharata. And also it comes with a hook, so after using it you can easily hook it in the bathroom and keep. Talking about the quality of the plastic, the quality feels very nice. The quality of the plastic is very nice. The overall build of the Kharata looks durable. Yeah, so these sticks are very flexible. You can see this. I'm actually bending it completely and it goes back into place. Easily sits back into place. So that is how flexible this Kharata is. So you can see this. Very flexible and easy to clean the bathroom with if it is waterlogged, etc. Like to clean water if there is any waterlogging in the house. So the Kharata is of multiple uses. So this is a new Kharata in the market which is made out of plastic, and it's called the Spotzero by Milton, and it is priced at rupees 120. So overall I like the build quality of this Kharata, and I think it will be quite useful. And since it is lightweight, it will be very comfortable to use. It won't be much stress on the hands to use it, and overall quality wise it looks nice. The problem with the old stick Kharata used to be that the sticks would break. That problem will be solved because these sticks are not going to break easily because they are made of high quality plastic which are quite durable. So yes guys, this was my review about the Milton Spotzero Kharata. If you all have used it, do let me know your reviews on the same in the comment section below. And guys, if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.